If you've ever shot a video only to find annoying flickering ruining the footage, don't worry, you're not alone. And there's a fix. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove flickering from your video using CapCut, so you can get smooth, professional-looking clips without any distracting light pulsing or screen strobe. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to do it, but you'll understand each step and why it's important. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, we need to get your flickering video into CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your computer or mobile device, and then import your video file. You can usually just drag and drop your clip straight onto the timeline, or use the import button if you prefer. This is the foundation of the process. Everything else builds on having your video ready to edit. If you've got more than one clip, just make sure you're working with the one that has the issue. Next, it's time to select the clip itself in the timeline. Click directly on the video clip you want to fix. You'll know it's selected when you see an outline or highlight around it. This targets all the following edits to just that problematic clip. Think of this like telling CapCut, this is the exact footage I want to fix. Focus just here. Now, look over to the top right side of your CapCut workspace. Here, you'll find the panel controls. Switch to the Video tab and then look for the basic settings. These panels are like command centers. Sometimes there are a lot of options, but for flicker removal, you're mostly sticking to the basics. Take a moment to find your way. The interface can seem intimidating at first, but as you get familiar, you'll move through it quickly. Within the basic settings, you'll see an option called Remove Flickers. It may even have a little Pro icon next to it, which means it's a premium feature. If you're using CapCut Pro or you have access, go ahead and click to enable it. This is the heart of what we're doing. CapCut uses advanced AI to analyze your footage and intelligently target those flickering frames caused by lighting inconsistencies, electronic interference, or even the effects of filming screens. After you've enabled Remove Flickers, you'll notice there are a few settings you can tweak to really dial in the correction. First, you can choose a mode. Options like flashlight or time-lapse tailor the algorithm for different kinds of flicker. For instance, flashlight is great for sudden bursts of light, maybe from someone's phone or an LED sign, while time-lapse can handle longer, periodic flicker like fluorescent light patterns or even the pulsing of older displays. Don't forget the level slider just beneath that. Slide it to increase or decrease how strong the flicker removal is. I recommend starting with Recommended, as CapCut's AI usually makes a safe, natural-looking adjustment. But if the flicker is really stubborn, you can push it to Strongest. Take a few seconds to experiment and play the video back to see the impact in real time. This part might take a few moments because the AI is processing and cleaning up the imagery for you. Don't worry if your computer seems busy or the progress bar takes a second. Once you're happy with the settings, just let CapCut do its magic. You'll see the changes instantly as the effect is applied. Pause and preview your video to make sure the flicker is actually gone, and feel free to refine your mode or level settings if needed. Sometimes, removing flicker can subtly change the brightness or the look of your video, so don't be afraid to adjust until everything feels just right. And that's all there is to it. You've turned a flicker-filled clip into smooth, watchable footage in just a few steps. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions, maybe your flicker is really unusual, or you got stuck somewhere, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials covering CapCut and all things video editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.